All right, guys. We just finished question 16, which was the commutative and distributive property. Question number 17. Okay, now they're giving us a bunch of data, a bunch of numbers, and they want us to make a box and whisker plot. Now, this is perfect for the calculator. It'll do everything we need. You just have to enter this, and we're going to enter it using the spreadsheet. So let's go do that. So let's go. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to the spreadsheet. Let's see. Okay, I already been using it, so I'm going to delete this stuff and start over. All right, spreadsheet. All I need to do is put a heading for the top one, and then I'm just going to enter it. 4, 4, whoops. 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 8, 10, 11, 11, 12, 14. So it looks like we've got 12 pieces of data. So now all we got to do is go here to the home screen, go to stats. We're going to click down here. We're going to add that X. Now this is a dot plot. That's not what we want. We want a box plot. So we're going to change it on the menu, the plot type. We're going to do box plot. Now we could do histogram, but we're not. We're doing a box plot. So there we go. That's the box plot. It tells us all you got to do is hover over it and it'll tell you everything. So the minimum is 4. So I'm going to put a 4 in there. It says quartile 1 is 5. So I'm going to put a 5 in there. And then it says the median is 7. So I'm going to put I'm going to try to put a 7 in there. And then quartile 3 is 11. So I'm going to put 11 in there. And then the max is 14. So I'm going to put 14 in there. All right. So now I'm almost done. So I've entered all of those pieces into here. Now I have to make this look like this. So first thing, the max is 14. So I got to move this over to 14, which means I got to move this over a little bit. So that's 14. And then the max is 11. So I'm going to take the third quartile is 11. So I got to move that to 11. The median is 7. So I got to move this to 7. Whoops, that's 7.5. That's 7. And then the first quartile is 5. So I got to move this over to 5. And the minimum is 4. So I got to move this from 1 all the way over to 4. And we are done. That's the box plot. That's what it should look like. We're good. I submit it. Let's see what we got here. Nicely done. You got to use the spreadsheet. All you got to do is go menu plot type, and there you have it. All of your choices: dot plot, box plot, histogram. Those are the ones we might need. All right, I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this.